You think you know how to cook eggs? Think again. Here are 9 egg cooking tips that'll turn your breakfast game into Michelin-level magic. Tip 1. Always start with room temperature eggs. Cold eggs straight from the fridge? They cook unevenly. Let them sit out for 10 to 15 minutes before using. You'll get creamier scrambles and smoother poaches. Yes, it makes a difference. Tip 2. Add a splash of water, not milk, to scrambled eggs. Water steams as the eggs cook, giving you fluffier, lighter results. Milk can actually weigh them down and make them rubbery. You want clouds, not sponges. Tip 3. Low and slow is king. For soft scrambled eggs, turn that heat way down. Stir constantly. Be patient. They'll come out silky, luxurious, and next-level creamy. Rush it, and you get dry cafeteria sadness. Tip 4. Salt early or don't. Salting before cooking changes the texture. Some like it creamier, some don't. Experiment. But with boiled eggs? Salt the water, it makes them easier to peel later. Trust. Tip 5. Crack eggs on a flat surface. Not the bowl edge. Why? Flat surfaces reduce the chance of shell bits getting inside. Less mess. Cleaner crack. Pro move. Tip 6. Poach eggs in a vortex. Boil water. Stir it fast. Then drop in your egg. The swirl wraps the white around the yolk and gives you that perfect restaurant-style poach. It's not magic, it's science. Tip 7. Want perfectly round fried eggs? Use a mason jar lid or a ring mold. Lightly oil it, crack the egg in, and boom, perfect circles every time. Add that to your avocado toast and watch the legs roll in. Tip 8. Steam your hard-boiled eggs instead of boiling. Steaming gives you tender whites, golden yolks, and shells that peel like a dream. Just 12 minutes over boiling water done. Tip 9. Add baking soda to the water when boiling. Just a pinch. It raises the pH and helps separate the membrane from the shell. Translation. Peeling is smooth, satisfying, and mess-free. No more egg massacre. And there you go, 9 tips to turn your humble egg into a breakfast flex. If you just learned something new, comment Egg Master below, follow for more food hacks, and stay tuned. Next up, I'm showing you the one ingredient that makes any egg taste like it came from a 5-star brunch.